Anytime you multiply two variables with the same base, you're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. In this case, I'm going to have a and add exponents 4 plus 5, which is equal a to the 9th power. This is the solution to first problem. Again, I have multiplication, the same base, I keep the base and add exponents. I have 4 plus negative 4. Remember, anytime I have bracket between two signs, this is like having multiplication between these two signs. So I'm going to have z, and I have 4 positive times negative gives me negative 4. Z, 4 minus 4 is equal 0. This is equal 1, but you're supposed to keep in mind that z cannot be equal 0. Next problem. Again, I have multiplication and I have the same base, which is going to stay, and I'm supposed to add the exponents. I have negative 3 plus 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is equal 3. From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number is 3 and keep the sign which is next to the larger number. Okay, this is very important to remember anytime you add the numbers with different signs. And this is the solution to my problem.